Posted that in a batch of, and no. Welcome back to another video. It's your MedTech Shade, and this week we are back in the bathroom. So this video is actually highly requested. A lot of you guys reach out to me in response to the urine video I did a few weeks ago. If you haven't seen it, click right here, or it will be right down in the description. If you prefer to go down in the description, you can click the link right there as well. So guys, you basically wanted to know, okay, now that I understand what does my urine color means and as it regards to my health, what about my poop? And that's why I'm here. So this week's video, I will be discussing your poop, in regards to the different types of poop and what does it mean, and also the colors of poop, because and a urine alone have color, guys. Poop have colors. So we're going to discuss them. Before I begin, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any other video ideas that you're interested in, or you come across a topic that you need me to clarify, don't forget to comment down below. If you are more private, on the shy side, follow us on Instagram at Labs Out Loud, and you can also send me a DM over there. If you don't have Instagram, of course, you can send me an email at labsoutloud@gmail.com. So let's get straight into it, shall we? Before I discuss poop, what exactly is poop? It's the term poop, but poop actually is the same thing as feces, stool, or even doo-doo. The same thing what I talk about. I just like the word poop better than the other three. So poop is mostly just undigested food, protein, bacteria, salts, and other substances that are produced and released by the intestines. So although everyone is unique in their size, shape, and smell of their poop, there are a few things that indicate a healthy or unhealthy poop. And that is why I'm here today. So normal poop is generally medium to dark brown in color. Everybody know that. I'm sure everybody know that. So why is that the color of normal poop? This is because it contains a pigment called bilirubin, and this bilirubin is formed when red blood cells break down. So that is how we get the color of poop to be medium to dark brown. Now, why does poop have to smell? Is it normal if my poop smell? Because you have some people, they believe, say, or they claim that their poop don't have no smell, and it smell like roses and lilies and all sorts of sweet things. So guys, bacteria in excrement emit gases that contain the unpleasant odor associated with poop. Now, normal poop should also be pain-free to pass. A healthy bowel movement should be painless and require minimal strain. So we're not supposed to do in a batch of No. It should be painless and it just pass freely. Texture for normal poop should be soft to firm. So poop that is passed in one single piece or a few smaller pieces is typically considered to be healthy. So you see the long sausage-like shape of the poop? This is due to the shape of our intestines. See if that makes sense now? How frequent should one go to the bathroom to poop? Some people say as them eat, them ready for poop, which is very healthy. And then you have some people who say they only poop on the weekends, which is not healthy. I don't know how you schedule your poop, if there's an app or something for that. But if you pass a poop once or twice daily or every other day, then you are considered to be having normal poop frequency. So at minimum, a person should pass poop 3 times a week. So you can sit down and mark it up on your calendar. If you know you're not pooping every day, ensure that you're pooping at least 3 times a week. So for those of my stush friends who only poop on the weekends when they schedule it, I guess it's 3 times a week. I guess Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right? Let me know how it works. So a healthy poop should also be consistent in characteristics. So so we have some friends who are very consistent, and you see like how I am trying to be very consistent in uploading videos as so healthy poop stay. Alright? So a healthy poop varies from person to person, but you must know your poop. So you must know if no man today woo, that's something never normal. Or you say, no man, I have to strain a little more today. Could I what cause that? Or you must know if so all the poop come out so watery. You never watery yesterday. You must know how your normal poop look so you can be able to detect any changes. So let's now look at the different types of poop. Type 1. If you have some hard and separate little clumps that look like nuts and them hard to pass, and you strain and you push out one little piece, push out another piece, these little pellets typically mean that you're constipated, and that should happen normally. You're not supposed to constipated. We're not supposed to you're supposed to poop just a flow freely. So if it log shape and it lumpy, so if it's log shape but it very very lumpy, like when some people make porridge for you, that is another sign of constipation. So alright, hear this one now. You have some small ones just like the first type, but it's soft and easy for pass, and you can actually see like some clear edges around little blobs. This type of poop means you are lacking fiber, and you should find some ways to add fiber to your diet, whether by eating cereal or vegetables. So type 4. This type of poop now fluffy and mushy with ragged edges. So this is very soft, and we know what soft poop mean. So this too soft consistency could be a sign of mild diarrhea. Try drinking more water and fruit juice to help improve this. Type 5. Completely watery. No solid pieces. Just liquid poop. In other words, you've got the runs. You got diarrhea. So this means your stool is moving through your bowels very fast and wasn't able to form into a healthy poop. So that means you have diarrhea. Now the different colors of poop. I tell you, by the time I'm done, every time we use the bathroom, I'm supposed to inspect the urine, inspect the poop, and we'll take it stages by stages now. We'll take it a bit. When people supposed to say, what am I doing at the bathroom so long? But alright, let's go. The color of poop. Black poop. Black poop. Yes, guys, you can have black poop. So if you've had licorice, iron supplements, or medication such as Pepto-Bismol, this could explain why you're having black stool. If you haven't had any of that, black poop could be a sign of bleeding in the upper gastrointestinal tract. Now you might have said, Shade, what you talking about? Oh, if you have black poop and you're talking about bleeding, let me make it make sense. It may seem like red would be a more likely color for this sort of concern, but since it's taking a while to travel down through the intestinal tract, it's all there, and we all know that all blood basically looks dark brown to black. So therefore, you have darker poop. Ta-da! Tell me if it makes sense, guys. And if you don't have any questions, stop the video, pause it, comment down below, and then you can always resume. Because I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. So, green poop. Hints of green are actually quite normal. But when the whole poop actually turned from brown to green, it either means one of two things. Either you've added a lot of green foods to your diet like spinach and kale, or poop is passing way too fast through your system. It wasn't able to pick up enough of the brown tinting pigment that bilirubin gives it. So now it has more bile salts that turn it to the green color. Now what if your poop is pale, white, or clay colored? If your poop is a chalky light shade, it probably means you're lacking bile. Bile. What is bile? Bile is a digestive fluid that comes from your liver and gallbladder. So if you are producing white stool, it probably means that your bile duct is blocked. That is not a good sign. Pale poop could also be a side effect of certain medications, like the ones they would give you for anti-diarrhea medicine. So either way, if it continues, you should probably seek your doctor. And now, red poop. Of course, everybody will get this right. Poop that is red in color may be the result of gastrointestinal bleeding. Small amounts of blood in your poop can also indicate hemorrhoids. So if you're having red stool, there might also be a less serious reason for the change in color. For example, foods like beets, cranberries, red gelatin, the jello people them, or tomato juice can also turn your poop red as well. But once these foods have been processed through the digestive tract, your poop should return back to brown again. So guys, you know what you eat. You must know if the red color seen in your stool is blood hemorrhoids, or because you didn't eat a whole heap of the red gelatin or a whole heap of cranberries a while ago. So guys, you have to know your body, and that is why they always say you are what you eat. Because based on the urine colors, based on your poop colors, you are now seeing that what you put in your body actually pass out and actually can affect you. So eat healthy, guys. Now we have two more colors, yellow and orange. So this yellow stool is typically a sign of too much fat. So this could be either a direct relation to malabsorption disorder like celiac disease, where your body isn't absorbing enough nutrients, or you're having difficulty producing enzymes or bile. And if your poop is orange, consuming many orange colored foods which are rich in a pigment called beta carotene causes orange stool. So your carrots, your sweet potatoes, your winter squash are among many foods that contain this pigment. However, if you know you never eat none of them there, blocked bile ducts or certain medications, including some antacids and some antibiotics, can cause orange poop. So again, guys, I encourage you, study yourself so you can know if your body is telling you something. Many people will experience variation in stool color at some stage. So that is why it is important for you to know what you are eating, so you can know if, because I just drink some carrot juice, alright, may go watch it and see tomorrow. You supposed to know. Alright? So the following situations may suggest a digestive issue. If you're pooping too often, meaning more than 3 times daily. If you're not pooping enough, meaning less than 3 times a week. If you're having excessive straining when pooping, and any poop that is colored red or black and you know it's not because you eat anything, you need to see a doctor. If you have greasy fatty stools and you see yellow, you need to see a doctor. You're having a digestion issue. If you're having pain when pooping, blood in the stool, bleeding while passing the stool, or if you have very hard dry poop that is difficult to pass, you need to see a doctor. So after telling you all those bizarre situations, of course I'm not going to end the video like that, guys. No, because we want to better ourselves, right? So I'm going to tell you how to ensure that you have healthy bowel movement. So eat enough fiber. Aim to get the recommended daily amount of fiber, which is 25 grams per woman and 38 grams for men under 50 years old. Alright, guys, so yes, you say man need more fiber than woman. Now, drink plenty of water. A reasonable amount is, of course, we know the standard 8 glasses, 8-ounce glasses per day. Now, you should know, and you do have calculators out there that you can put in your age, can put in your daily activity, like how busy are you, how active are you. You put in your height, you put in your weight, and you can actually calculate how much water you should be drinking, because probably you need to be drinking more than the 8-ounce glasses. You can download those apps to be more specific, or go to your doctor. Take probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria, and you actually find them in a capsule form or even some yogurts. and drinks also have probiotics. So they are basically found to help relieve constipation as well as infectious diarrhea. You can also try magnesium. Magnesium hydroxide is often used to treat constipation, and it is safe for most people except those with renal insufficiency. So guys, ensure that you're reading the fine print for these medications to see if you already have a condition that might interact with the drug and make it worse. Also, of course, exercise. Staying physically active can encourage normal bowel movement and alleviate constipation. Alright guys, so it also relieves stress, which is a common cause of abnormal poop. So, in summary, a well-functioning digestive system is essential for health and well-being. It also suggests that a person is eating a balanced diet. We made it to the end. I hope this video was very informative for you as it was for me, and now I am super excited. I can't wait to go and poop so I can now compare what I know versus what I see. And of course, you know, we can be all like mini doctors and do a little diagnosis and know say if we need to drink more water, if we need more fiber. I mean, by the time we're done, guys, by the time we're ready for graduate, trust me, we only need to go to the doctor and say, can I get the prescription for XYZ? By the time we finish, any little changes in our body, we should be able to identify, detect, and know the corrective measures to put in place, because at the end of the day, your health is your wealth. Thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you on Sunday with the next video. Make sure you turn on your post notifications and you are subscribed, and tell a friend so they need to look in the toilet before they flush. You already know about the urine colors. Now you know about different types and colors of poop. What's next? Stay tuned. Bye.